Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can lock or hide iPhone apps, right? So you can't hide pre-installed apps which come with iPhone, right? So like camera, photos app or messaging or Safari, you can't hide them, you can lock them, right? So in order to lock photos app, I just need to long press on this app icon and it shows require face ID. Hit on that option and hit on require face ID. That's it, your iPhone will verify your face ID. Click on done. That's it, you are good to go. Your iPhone's photos app have been locked now. So let's assume you want to unlock or you want to access that photo. You have to verify your face ID and your photos app will be unlocked. So now if you want to remove the lock from the photos app, you just need to long press on this one and click on don't require face ID. That's it. So now the second option is how to hide it. So as I already mentioned, you can't hide pre-installed apps. You can hide the applications which you have installed from the App Store. So like WhatsApp, Insta, Snapchat, other else apps, right? So just long press on the Snapchat app, click on require face ID, and here is showing hide and require face ID. Click on that one and your application will be hidden now and you can't see it anymore. So how you can access Snapchat app? You will not be able to find it in the spotlight or whatever you're going to search in the spotlight or wherever in the iPhone. So you will find it in the app library, where just swipe up all the way down and in the right bottom you'll see hidden option is here. Click on this one and your phone will verify your face ID. If you're unable to verify your face ID, it will ask for passcode. So just open that app, verify your face ID, you are good to go. So if you want to unhide that app, just long press on this one and click on unhide or don't require face ID. This application is no more hidden now. But the thing is, you have to keep you have to drag this application back to the home screen, because iPhone will not get back your app to the home screen where it was before. So that's a really simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Hit on like button if this video provides you any type of value. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.